I'm Saud and this should be my last video on Android. I'm not making more videos because I want you guys to be independent. If you all want to create your own coding, then type Android developer and then type the stuff that you need. For example, if you want to know stuff about the view class, then type view. Click on the first link and these developer links will give you the information about these library resources. If you want to play with existing coding, then check out the Stack Overflow community. Type Stack Overflow. For example, if you need to know how to customize buttons, then just type customize buttons, and you all can check out and play with the coding that people provide. Anyway, in this video I'll be showing you how to publish your app in the market. So go back to Eclipse. This is the project we created last time. Right click on the project folder, click on Android tools, click on export signed application package. I'll keep this as a project name. Click next. Click on create new keystroke. You'll be using an existing keystroke if you all are updating an app that is already existing on the market. We'll create a new one for now. I'll keep the name as Enlighten. I'll save it on the desktop. Write a password. Click next. Keep something as alias. Write some password again. Then write something for validity. This will be how long your app will run on the market. The max limit is I think 1000 years. Yeah, it is 1000. Anyway, I'll keep something like 33 for now. Write something out here. You can fill this up if you all want to. Click next. This is the destination APK file. APK is Android package. I'll click finish. These files will be on the desktop. Yeah. This contains all your coding, all your resources and everything. This is just the key for your application. This is useful only when you are editing the app that is already existing in the market. The next thing you need is an Android market account. For this you shall need an existing Google account. Go to Google, write Android market, publish. Click on the first link. Write your Google or Gmail ID. Type the password. I guess I must have played with this. You'll have to fill up a profile out here. You'll have to fill your developer name, your email ID, your website URL, your phone number, and then click continue. You shall also need $25 to register on this market. This is a one-time fee, and after this you won't have to pay anymore. Click on continue. On this page, click on select I agree, and if there's something coming up here, then just read it up if you want to. Click on I agree, continue. Then the next page will get you to the checkout page where you'll have to fill in your credit card details and pay the amount. I'll sign in from an account in which I've already done the payment. So we'll go back to the market page. I've already made the payment for this account. I already have an application in the market. The reason I had to upload the app again for a different version was because I had lost the key for this application. Anyway, select upload application. Upload the new APK that is out here, this thing. Select browse, select the APK. And click on upload. save it. It'll be there in your APK files. You can activate it, you can deactivate it later if you want, and you can upload a different APK. And if you are editing this application, go back to the same application and upload the new APK and deactivate the old APK. For the product details, you'll have to add 2 screenshots, then write stuff out here, just fill up all this, and your app should be ready to go. And click on publish to publish your app on the market. You all will need screenshots of these sizes only, and to do this, go to Eclipse, select your project folder, right click, first connect your phone to the computer, then right click on the project folder, click on run as, click Android application, basically run the app in your phone. And once you will do this, then click on window, click on show view, click on other, then out here click on devices, yeah, then click on this camera like thing out here. What's this? Yeah, it's I think screen capture. Click on this. You should see your app running in your phone. So click on save, it'll save it. Right now I'll save with this name in the desktop. You all can write whatever you all want out here, and that's how you all can save different screenshots of your application in the computer. So you'll play with your phone or your app, and you'll go to some other screen, and then again click on screen capture. You will see that screen, and you all can take multiple images of different screens in your phone with this feature. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for listening, and if you'll need more help, feel free to ask me in the comments. Oh yeah, one more thing, don't forget to publish your application in the market once you all are done with this. Once you all fill all this up and select whatever you all want out here, then click on publish, and I'll publish your application in the market. It took me around 3 or 4 hours to see my application in the search bar. It may take time. I think there's some problem with Android in this regard, and you will have to be patient with this.